and welcome to the tutorial video of the koi. To start the koi, flip the red power switch on the bottom. When the robot is successfully turned on, the LED lights will light up and the fan will start to spin. Don't forget to turn off the switch when not in use. To charge, plug in the given wire into the side of the koi. Connect to a 5-foot adapter and on the power source. Look for a light indicator at the front center of the bumper. On charging mode, the light indicator turns red. Once fully charged, the light switches off. A blue light indicator means the robot is on operation mode. To do your monthly replacements of attractants, it is fairly straightforward. Look for the head cover, twist anti-clockwise and lift. Remove the previous attractant from the holder and replace with the new one. Remove the head cover with the same motion of twisting and lifting. Next, remove the lift cover. Once done, open the translucent part by gently pressing in with your thumbs and lifting to open the lock. Here is where you can remove and replace the glue traps for your use. In the trap compartment, pull out the old trap and replace it with a new piece. Don't forget to remove the plastic sheet on the new trap. Be careful in handling the glue trap as it is very sticky. For maximum results, use koi over a longer period consistently. Thank you for watching this video and hope you have a good time using koi.